Good morning, Bradley Charbonneau here with Licoma, and we're going to set up Google Analytics so that our site here we can put in for one, so it tracks all the visitors to the site, but also we're going to put in a little Google Analyticator plugin here. So I'm going to go over to, she doesn't have an account at all, so I'm going to create an account as well, and I'm going to put in this. I'm going to go make a note of it and give a fake password here because this is quite the public thing going on. I'm just going to use this. So Google Analytics email address, I'm using this email address, which is basically goes to me. And I'll use this please change password here. Birthday, yeah, whatever that is. How about that, huh? So I'm just creating this account. It's going to want me to check the email, of course. I will do that. Go refresh at my junk mail catcher here. There we go. Click. We are now good. So I'm really looking for that code. Looking for the code to... There we go. So now that was just a Google account, which is handy for other things like FeedBurner and whatnot, YouTube. So now I want Google Analytics. So I do need to sign up for that. Now I'm going to go give the domain name here. And I'm going to make the domain name that. We are Pacific Time. There we go. I'm going to put in her name, even though it's really me doing it. It's her stats. I'm going to read all that. That's good stuff. There we go. So this is the code I need to put in my site. Now I'm just in the basic 2010 here. I don't know if 2010... Does 2010 let me put it in somewhere? You know, I'm not sure it does. Can I put it in here in the footer? I can't. I'm going to change the theme, but just for this example, let's see if it lets me put it in here. So, update file. Okay, it says file edit successfully. So what did I do? I came over to the editor, I went to the footer, and I put it in the 2010 theme because that's what we're currently using. Now when I switch themes, I'll have to do that again, or I can use a plugin to get the code in there. I don't like using plugins to get a code in for something that I feel I just don't need a plugin for. But for our example's sake, I'm just going to use that. So now it would be working. It takes about a day to kick in. But what I really want is this Google Analyticator plugin here. So I'm going to go search Google Analyticator. There it is. Search the plugins. And I want to do this now while I'm logged in to Google Analytics because it's going to ask for sort of a confirmation thing. So there we go. I'm going to go over to settings and it is disabled. So I'm going to enable it. And then it says click here to log into Google. So we are logged into Google with the correct user. That's good. I'm going to grant access to the WordPress stats, and now it is enabled and select an account. Of course, there's only one, so I'm going to select that one. Now here, I want to, do you want to track all logged in WordPress users? No, because I'm going to be here working on the site, and I don't want all of my tracking to be tracked. Yeah, that made sense. All right, there we go. Save changes. Now I'm going to come over to my dashboard. So we're all set. It's up and running. Of course, there aren't any stats yet, just because it's... I'm going to make this a little smaller. There's my dashboard. So there's my WordPress stats. And down here somewhere, oops, is probably going to be my Google Analytics summary. So I'm going to just do a little cleanup. I'm going to move this one over here. And then I'm going to move this one up top. And now when this kicks in tomorrow or so, there will be my Google Analytics summary. There we go. That was it. So we set up a Google account, we signed up for Google Analytics, and we installed the Google Analytics, the Google Analyticator plugin. That's it. It's Bradley Charbonneau for Licoma signing off today. Talk to you soon. Bye.